To install R, you're going to type install R in your browser, and then you will go to the current R project where you will download the R file installation. In this case, I select download R for Windows with the latest version. Then we're going to execute this file following the next. When it's complete, we're going to click in our file and we're going to follow the next instructions. You select the appropriate language, the different characteristics for the setup, click next, different options you have, and we just wait for installing R. Once it's complete, we're going just to test R. You can see a new logo where you just click to open our R console. And we're going just to test it. We have installed R in our operative system.